Hey guys, Emmy's here with me today again, and we're gonna do a troll design right on the side of her cheek here.
Hi everyone.
So this is Poppy Troll. So here we go. We've got the troll's face. Just going to bring my brush outward like this. And you want the sides of her ears to come out right at the end. So we want her ears to come out right here. Now what we want to do is, because the troll's hair is going to come up here, we want to draw her flowers that come across her headband right along the hairline here. So I'm just using a teal and I'm going to press down to make a little petal. And then another one to come up there. So I've got two little flowers. Now using a number 1 brown brush, I'm just loaded some lime and I'm just going to bring it across her head, and that's going to be the troll's headband. Now concentrating on the troll's hair, I'm just going to come around this flower and then flick outward, fill in the spots between the petals. And then I'll do another flick outward like that. And for the troll's big hair, I'm just going to bring it up along here and then up like that. And then on the other side, I'm going to begin right here where the end of that petal is and bring it right up to join. And then just fill that right in. Outlining around, by outlining the flower petals, you're able to create a barrier between the flower petal and the pink hair, so it's easier to colour in. Now I'm going to quickly do her nose, just along here. Now she's got a bit of a wide nose, so I'll span it across. There. Now for the troll's eyes, I'm going to put in a dot here. I'm going to spread it right out. And another dot right here. Now Poppy Troll's eyes are quite close together, so try and keep them as close together as possible. Now picking up some brown with the number 1 brush, I'm just going to make the Poppy Troll smile. So I'm going to make her smile span right across her face. And now I'm going to outline the bottom of her face. And then if I do some loose S's inward, that will make the definition of her ears. Like that. And then just outline her ears. And her hair, her crazy pink hair, and some strokes up. Now using a number 0 round brush, I like using these for outlining. I'm going to go ahead and outline Poppy's eyes. You don't have to outline the whole entire eye, you can just do C's inward. With the same number 0 brush, I'm just going to do her little pupils inside. By pressing down, and there her pupils. I'm just going to do some eyelashes coming out too. I've just dipped an earbud into some neon fluoro pink. I'm just going to dab them on each side just to give her some rosy cheeks there. I'm just going to do some magical little stars along the side. I'm going to swirl up the top here. Another swirl over this one. Swirls on top of swirls make things look really magical. I've just packed up a flat brush. You can use any brush with some volume on it to apply pixie paint. I've just applied a fair chunk of it on there, and I'm just going to spread it along. There you have it, a really cute poppy troll. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting.